Hello guys, for today's video, I will show you how to request non-paste charts via B2B in OneOcean. Let's start by loading your exported route from your ECDIS into your OneOcean. You can use formats like CSV, RTN, RTA, or any other available format. But since my ECDIS is JRC, I will be then using the CSV file. Okay, after importing your route, the Set Sports tab will pop up. Just click Confirm. Next, you will see the UKC Calculation tab. Simply click No. The next step, now, click Overlay Products at the bottom bar. Uncheck all other passage items, leaving only ENC checked. This will give you a clearer view of all the ENC charts required for your passage. Now, click Not in the Outfit, and you will see the non-paste charts that are required but not included in your outfit. At the bottom bar, click Add to Basket. After that, the 4 charts will be added to your basket. You can now go to your basket on the upper right corner. Highlight these charts and at the bottom bar, click Place Order. You will be prompted to enter a reference number or reference term. Just type in whatever reference you prefer. In my case, I will just type CRPI non-paste ENC order followed by the date today. Okay, 13 May 2025. And then the final step, click the submit options. Guys, once you click it, it will trigger the request and send it to the OneOcean. The vessel will receive confirmation of this order, which will require approval from your marine superintendent in charge. A processing confirmation will pop up stating your order has been submitted to the OneOcean for review. Click Orders. Would you like to print the order now? Just click Yes for future reference and documentation. After this step, we will just have to wait for the superintendent's approval and of course an email from OneOcean containing the permits we just requested. That's all for today, everyone. I hope you learned the basics. Tune in for the next video where I will cover importing non-paste permits into OneOcean and ECDIS. Thank you.